Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics that actually matter. First, update Zoom and restart the app so drivers load cleanly. This fixes many odd audio issues. Then open Settings and pick the correct microphone and speaker, don't guess. When you click Share Screen, check the box labeled Share Computer Sound. Once done, audio routes with the shared screen. Make sure system volume is up and no other app is hogging audio, then proceed to the core steps. Next, you configure sound routing so Zoom actually transmits the sound you want. On your OS, set default input and output devices to the ones Zoom uses. Consistency prevents conflicts. If you need system audio mixed with mic audio, enable stereo mix or install a virtual audio cable and route it into Zoom as the microphone. Once done, return to Zoom audio settings and run test speaker and microphone. Listen for latency or echo. To finish, you lock in settings that preserve quality. Turn on original sound in Zoom to prevent automatic noise suppression from mangling shared audio. Make sure participants know to unmute. Reduce microphone gain and enable echo cancellation if you hear feedback. If audio still fails, stop sharing, restart Zoom, and test again in a quick meeting. Then reboot your computer as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. If others can hear system audio, but not you, check per app output routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.